on this particular farm, once more on that side.
The other side.
On the other side that has been depleted.
Yeah.
This is all virgin gravel, original surface deposition, and you'll find that this actually all rests on the eroded paleo channel. So here was a paleo channel that was eroded out. All those gravels, original gravels, were deposited into the river, and then the Rooi Koppie was then later redeposited in that empty paleo channel, filling it up. And we've mapped the area, and it's quite extensive, you know, and it just so happens that it's all under these dunes.
Good. I like what I'm hearing. Tell me quickly, what's the plan of action here? First, I want to know how far can you go that side? Do you have maybe certain kilometers or an estimation as how far you can go, and what do you estimate your gravel runs to where, and you know, when you put it in a sort of like a
Grids.
yeah.
Okay, so you'll find that as much as most of the surface area is covered in these Rooi Koppie gravels, obviously below the dunes, it doesn't conform entirely to the geographical boundaries of the farm.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a very sporadic shape. But having said that, what we've estimated was that from here, our cutoff point, because we don't want to work, you know, right next to the river,
Yeah.
because there's NEMA restrictions.
Mm-hmm.
So from there, we're going back. We're looking at about 1.4 kilometers back.
Okay.
So that is about 1,400 meters back.
Yes. Yes.
And then we also have about another just under 1,000 meters. Yeah, so the length and breadth is about 1,000 by 1,400 roughly. And we started here, and you'll see that where that tree is to where we're standing now. This area was washed out by recent rain and runoff water activity. So we said it would be easier to start eating into the dune from this area, where the dune made somewhat of a valley. So we started in this valley.
Good.
You know,
That's a good decision.
and that's just because there was less overburden. And then we could, you know, maybe get 1,000 tons of screen material out of here that we can start processing
Yeah.
while the earthworks continue.
Yes.
So, not this coming week. Yeah, the end of this coming week, we're going to set up the washing plant.
Yes,
where
I
we
was
came in.
going to ask where the plant you plan to set up plant. I think when we go out of this place, we need to specify. We can stand there just
Yes.
to really see the surface where the plant can be set up. Obviously, when the plant is set up, we'll also be here as well,
Yes.
just to make sure everything goes.
Now I'll show you. The plan is to set it up there,
Okay.
where we came in,
And you put
because
the water from the side.
yes, because those tailings, you know, it makes the surface more stable.
More stable, exactly.
Because if you set up your 14-foot pan here
Yes.
and your sorting house here, you'll find that just a bit of rain and
Yeah.
we'll all fall into the